Hi, my name is Mallory Marienfeld. I'm a communications manager with Michigan State University Extension. And in this short video, I'm going to help you, our conservation partners and technicians, use and edit the promotional pieces we've developed for you to help in promoting Michigan's Conservation Reserve Enhancement Program, also known as CREP. These promotional materials include a trifold brochure and a flyer and are branded and customizable to include the contact information of yourself or the conservation district you work with. These customizable materials are available to download off of MSU Extension's CREP website. You can either Google MSU Extension CREP or go to www.canr.msu.edu/CREP. And once you're there, you'll scroll down to the CREP promotional materials box. And you can either select the trifold brochure or the flyer from here. You could also click on publications and see a list. So to edit the CREP flyer, you're going to click on the flyer name, click on the green button that says download file. And once the file has located to your desktop, you'll click and open it up. Make sure to hit enable editing if it appears. That allows you to edit the document. On the front page is where you can edit as you need to. If you need to add more lines, you can do so. If you need to adjust the box, you can drag it however you need. This is all customizable for you. And when you're done making your edits, hit File and save onto your desktop. Now that you have your customized promotional materials, what can you do with them? One way to start promoting CREP is to distribute these promotional materials in places where you would likely find potential participants. This could maybe be the lobby of the office you work. It could be a local feed store or your local Farm Bureau office. Other examples could be grain elevators or co-ops. You could even leave flyers at local shooting clubs or conservation clubs. Other places where you could put print as well as digital copies of these promotional materials are on community calendars or bulletin boards. So think of where you found a community calendar or a bulletin board, both in person or digital, and these are great places to leave them. Now, in the future, we may have some upcoming dates associated with CREP, maybe a certain deadline. If you know of any dates, make sure to include that in whatever post you're sharing, either to a calendar or on a community board. Ask your coworkers or partners you work with if they're familiar with bulletin boards or a community calendar, that you could share these resources too. One more way to market CREP and share these promotional materials is by attending similar events or programs in your area where potential CREP participants could also be attending. Find out who's running that meeting or event, get a hold of them, ask if you could maybe give a 5-minute presentation on CREP or pass out your promotional materials. Thanks for listening.